In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button to Google Sites. This feature is a great way to enable visitors to contact you directly with just a simple click. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, we need to head over to Elfsight, a fantastic tool for adding widgets to your site. Once you're on the Elfsight dashboard, you'll want to locate the catalog. This is where you'll find a variety of widgets that you can add to enhance your Google site. After you click on the catalog, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in cool to narrow down the options to anything related to cool features. Once you've typed cool, you should see a widget called click to call appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. This widget is designed specifically for enabling users to initiate calls directly from the site. It's really handy if you're looking to provide a quick way for users to reach your business. Now, with the click to call widget open, you'll be prompted to select a template. Choose the one that best fits your site's design and aesthetic. Keep in mind that the template is not only about looks but also about how it functions, so pick one that aligns with your needs. Once you have selected your template, click on continue with this template. At this point, you'll be able to customize the widget to suit your specific needs. One of the most important customizations is editing the phone number. You want to ensure the correct number is in the widget so that calls are directed properly. After you have made all your necessary edits, it's time to publish the widget. By publishing, you can let your modifications go live. Once published, a window should pop up giving you different pricing options. Select the free option because it fulfills our needs without requiring any payment. Having selected the free option, the next step is to click on copy code. This code is what you'll embed into your Google site to bring the widget to life. With the code copied, let's head over to your Google site. When you're on your Google site, locate the embed option, typically found in the editing menu. Click on embed code and it will prompt you with a dialog box. Now paste the copied code into this box. After pasting, click next to proceed and you will be shown a preview of how the widget will appear on your site. Make sure everything looks good, then click on insert to add the widget to your page. And there you have it, you've successfully added a click to call button to your Google site. This is a simple yet effective feature that can greatly enhance user interaction and make it easier for people to contact you directly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.